far from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Pre, nandito pala ang Team Visma. Nandito ang Team Visma Jumbo. Ayun na, ayun na.
Ngayon na yung guide nila eh, lampas-lampas ng daanan eh. Doon ba yun? Tara, doon.
Welcome. Guys, ibara kami. Punta kayo ngayon, siyam kami. Siyam kami magpan. Pupunta ng Daigo. Ganda dito, gabi oh. Oh, maya gabi, dadaan tayo dito. Pag-uwi. Ganda oh. Puti-puti oh. Ganda oh. Andito kami sa Inyos. Yan o, gasolinahan. Paggas muna kami kasi naubos ang gas sa ahon dun eh. Leandro. Ayos, ayos.
Kapoy!
Kapoy kayo. Kapoy man.
Kapoy!
Ayos ah. Oliver. Ayos oh. Rap rap. Yan oh.
Nahingal pa kayo?
Wala, nagpagas na kami. Nagpagas na kami.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'm a poker holder, you choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Guys, update dito sa Daigo Sakura. Ito na kami sa parking area. Yan, doon pa ako kumakain, no? Oh.
Kain na tayo.
Ayun. First time ito maka-ride outs. First time. Yeah.
Nabudol po ako.
First time, Oliver.
Nabudol kami.
Ayan, magbubudol. Tatlo, yun. Huwag kayo magtiwala. Tatlo na yan, magbubudol yan. Ang nakaputi dyan, mambubudol yan, yo. Ang ganda rin Sakura, oh. Diba? Okay, eating time.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Guys, nandito na kami sa roadway na punta ng Daigo Sakura. Kapit ko. Yan, simula ang traffic dito.
I'm inspired by thirst. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst. So
guys,
while I work. I ain't tired you first.
Traffic, oh. Punta sa Daigo Sakura. Finally, nandito na kami sa Daigo Sakura. Ganda na. Ayun, nandiyan yung iba. Parking area. Ito, akyatin yan eh. Diyan, papasan tayo mamaya dyan. Palipat na ng drone. Yan, taas dyan. 2 km, akyatin. Traffic sa sakyan. Kaya pa singit-singit ka lang dun sa kwan.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. together if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Ahon.
19%.
Ha?
19%.
19% na.
Hanip yan.
Tabi, may sasakyan sa likod.
Doon tayo.
Sino natin ha?
Par!
On your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Pising. Yung dalawa na iwan. Ayun na, sa likod. Pising. Ayan guys, oh. Ma-achieve ang ahon na to. Makakain na kami ng noodles. Ayan. Noodles ang katapat yan sa ahon na to. So ngayon, pising muna kami ngayon kasi madilim. Safety first. Yung iba dito uwi pa ng Hatabara, Will J. Yung tatlo uwi pa ng Inoshima. Ang isa uwi pa ng Tumunura.
Hindi, uwi ako sa puso niya.
Sa puso niya. Leandro Putso. Ikiya pala, Ikiya. Kami si Rap Sakwan Matsunaga Pasay. Kami dari raw, dyan lang, Fukuyama. Yoshisho! Meron na akong mga nakasamang first time, marami. Tapos yung mga kwan, nasaunan, ang bubudol. Lakas. Guys, andito na kami sa station ng gasolinahan. Tsaka cup noodles ang tirada dito. Guys, ang mga guys, yung noodles pula na. Wala na, 7-Eleven na lang kami. Guys, natuloy talaga yung noodles. 7-Eleven kami, oh, yan oh. Oh, cup noodles oh. Natuloy talaga. Noodles lang malakas. Tinapay. Tuloy talaga ang pagkain namin ng noodles. Ito, oh. Noodles, oh. Ha? Ano ba yan? Ha? Ha? Ano ba? Ito, pinutin lang.
Wala na. Ay, ubos na.
Ay, isa.
Wala na rin.
Yeah, ito. Yeah, pinot mo na. Tapos ito. Yun. Yan, ito muna. Tapos pindot. Oh, diba? Oh. Oh.
Sa bundok.
Diba? Natuloy talaga yung noodles, no?
Ayan. Ito.
Talaga, no?
Ramen.
Ramen, no? Sarap.
Wala. Tuloy talaga. Success.
Access
ng budol.
Di ba kapir na nakawakan?
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe.
Video sa Ibarra Park. Ang ganda. May ilaw pa. Pula. Pula. Ganda ng brakes. Sulit na sulit. Time check. 9:28 ng gabi. Laspagan rides to.
Kasama ba tayo?
Salamat.
Sama ka na sa kanila.
Arigato. Thank you.
Malapit naman na.
Thank you.
Par, tinudo eh.
Salamat.
Uy,
Next time ulit pa.
Sige.
Chin.
Next time. Arigato.
Sira ha. Sira.
Bye. Tayo ulit, Sira. Sira Madre.
Sira. Arigato.
Sira ulit. Sira.
Arigato. Oo.
Dito tayo. Sige. Kita mo sila tapos ituturo ka lang ni Rob.
Sige.
Sige.
Ay, sama ka naman.
Sige, dagdagan niya pang kilometer daw. Dagdagan niya pa.
Ano na kami?
Sige. Oo. Ayan, kasama yan. Thank you. Ingat kayo, ingat. Ingat. Yes. Ingat ha. Tandahan. Gabi na. Tara, din. Ano, salamat. Ingat.
Ikaw ka, Jay.
Ingat, wala kayong ilaw. Nandahan.
Gigo, dito ka. Ay, mamaya pa na pag nag-ano.
Salamat.
Next time ulit.
Next time.
Sulitin mo na ba eh. Pauwi ka na pala November eh. Para, di ba nag-go na to? Doon ka sa kabila daan, Brad, bayo. Sa ilalim nun. Oo.
Pag ganun ka, tapos ganun.
Para hindi ka na dito sa stoplight magantay. Ingat ha!
Ingat. Yun, salamat. Salamat.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.